This tutorial is to show you how to connect your Bumpsale button to your Squarespace website. And by connect, I mean so that you can make sure that the Bumpsale button shows up on your own website that is hosted by Squarespace. So this is assuming that you've already done the first step, which is set up your first bump sale with a starting price and bump price and landing page, thank you page. And then you'll head over to your Squarespace website where you want to install the button. And the area where you want to install it, you'll click Add Block. And you'll look for a code block. And you'll take the code block and drag it to where you want it to show up on the page. And I'll put it right under this text. You can see the hello world text here is telling you where to click to start editing the code. So I double click on that area and you can see the default code that it puts there. We're going to get rid of that because we're going to add the Bumpsale code in this area. So we'll head over to Bumpsale and we'll get to the area where you see the installation instructions, where you copy and paste the code below, where you'd want to embed the code onto your website. So we'll copy this, head over to Squarespace and paste. Back to Bumpsale, copy the next line of code and paste. Back into Squarespace, and then we'll take the last line of code, which is the style code, which tells the browser what you want the button to look like, and you can edit even more. Like here, I like to change this to 17 for a larger button text, and you can change the button background color here. So we'll add that, and you can see that this is the area where the button will show up. And there's a note with Squarespace that you actually have to have a business or commerce plan, upgraded plan at Squarespace to be able to use the code block. So make sure you have that set up in your Squarespace, and then you'll save this. And then you'll take a peek at what it looks like. When you refresh, you'll see your actual Squarespace powered website with the button installed. Let's go to the preview. And when you click on the button, it will pop up a window where the customer can pay, enter their payment information, and you can see the Bumpsale timer that encourages them to pay within that time limit so they can get this special price that you've set, $1. And when they click pay for $1, this button on your website will automatically change to $2, and the next person will pay $3. That's if you have it set up with a $1 increments. And this all happens automatically once you've had that set up. And that's how you install the Bumpsale button onto your Squarespace website.